Welcome to Teeny Tiny Town Model Trains. I'm really excited today because I just paid a visit to my new friend Tony down at Frog and Diamond Hobbyworks, a great hobby store here in Winnipeg, new to me, but they've been open since last fall, and I finally got down there, and it is a great place. I was able to pick up a couple of things here that I'm going to share with you briefly today. So I have the City Financial 2-bay covered hopper. I have the Atlas Masterline CP Rail plug door box car in CP Rail International, CPI. And I have the UTLX 16,000 gallon tank car in the Minnesota corn processors. These were all picked up today at Tony's Frog and Diamond Hobbyworks. So check these guys out if you haven't had a chance and you're in the Winnipeg area. They are really great. So let's have a look at what these cars look like on the track today. All right, so here we go. Here is our Intermountain UTLX 2-bay covered hopper. Some really great sharp lettering here, great detail. Nice detail on everything you would expect. Some of the end cage sort of detailing. Nice etched metal work on the top. Really a nice product, and will fit right in here on the layout. Okay, so here's the CP plug door box car, 5111 cubic feet, I believe. Nice detail on the door here, some separately applied stuff on the door and the door locking mechanisms. Nice clean lines on the roof. Maybe you can't quite see right down to the rivets, but that's okay. You can see there is an etched metal end walkway, and the plastic couplers on the end, and yeah, I think some separately applied stirrups, step stirrups, and things like that. So nice looking model. Not the correct era for the locomotive, but still a good addition to Combs Teeny Tiny Town. And lastly, here is the UTLX 16,000 gallon tank car, Minnesota corn processors. Nice 40-foot tank car, very much at home in the model era and place that I'm modeling here. So some nice detail that you'd expect on those walkways. Some nice underbodied plumbing details, and of course some of that detailing on those roof, those catwalks along the roof, and so on and so forth. So all in all, a nice looking model, and right at home here with Combs Teeny Tiny Town. Okay, so let's see if we can get this connected up, and we'll make a bit of a train here today. All right, okay. There we go. So yes, thanks everybody. I appreciate you watching. And again, don't forget to visit my new friend Tony at Frog and Diamond Hobbies here in the Winnipeg area. It's a great store with some great products and really friendly service. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more content like this. And if you'd like to click like or join the comments, please do. Love to have you. Thanks everybody. Keep on having fun on those model railroads.